The 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air has always been a symbol of 1950s American automotive exuberance, but this Restomod version takes that legacy to the next level. Sporting a striking glossy black and terracotta two-tone paint scheme, this Bel Air looks as if it has just been teleported from the past, yet it delivers the power and reliability expected of modern performance cars. Every angle of this car commands attention, from the sleek lines of its iconic silhouette to the chrome accents and custom Schott Accelerator wheels wrapped in sticky Mickey Thompson tires. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling showcase of classic style and modern engineering. Under the elongated hood sits a massive 496 cubic inch big block V8 crate engine, built from a 454 block with increased bore and stroke to produce serious performance. Fuel delivery is handled by a Holley Dominator electronic fuel injection system, ensuring precise throttle response and improved efficiency compared to carburetors of the past. Power is sent through a TH400 3-speed automatic transmission to a Ford 9-inch rear end with 3.90 to 1 gears and posi-traction, providing both smooth cruising and aggressive launches when desired. Complementing this performance is a custom-painted frame, rack-and-pinion steering, and four-wheel disc brakes that provide confidence-inspiring stopping power. The restoration of this 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air was carried out as a complete frame-off project, giving it a fresh foundation and modernized driving dynamics while retaining its unmistakable 1950s charm. The suspension was rebuilt with custom components, and the exhaust was upgraded with a band clamp system that allows the V8 to announce its presence with a commanding roar. Every detail was meticulously executed to balance classic aesthetics with modern usability, ensuring that the car drives as impressively as it looks. Inside, the interior continues the theme of classic American style paired with modern comfort. Corbeau bucket seats are upholstered in black and terracotta leather, matching the exterior paint and creating a cohesive, luxurious cabin. The dashboard is painted black with factory-style gauges that maintain the classic appearance, while the center console features a low-car shifter, cup holders, and custom door panels and headliner. With just 47 miles on the odometer since the rebuild, this Bel Air is effectively a brand new car with vintage soul. This Restomod also honors the history of the Bel Air, retaining original design cues such as its long hood, tail fins, and chrome trim, but with modern enhancements that make it drivable and reliable in today's conditions. The combination of aesthetics, performance, and attention to detail makes this 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air Restomod a standout among classic car enthusiasts and collectors. Previously featured at Barrett-Jackson auctions, this Restomod has already gained recognition for its craftsmanship and rarity. Now listed for sale through Vanguard Motors at $329,900, it offers the opportunity for collectors to own a piece of automotive history that blends 1950s style with modern performance, a true rolling testament to the timeless appeal of the Chevrolet Bel Air. For anyone seeking a car that turns heads, roars with authority, and embodies classic American luxury, this 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air Restomod is the ultimate choice.